Welcome to Health Guide and Tips, the channel that helps you take control of your health and well-being. Today, we're going to talk about how you can improve your health without relying on medicine. We all want to live a healthy life, but sometimes we fall ill, and we rely on medicine to feel better. But did you know that there are several natural ways to stay healthy and prevent diseases? Today, we'll discuss some of these natural remedies and techniques that can help you maintain your health. Let's start with the basics. A healthy diet is essential for good health. Eating a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. A diet rich in whole foods, such as grains, legumes, and nuts, can provide the necessary nutrients to keep our bodies healthy and strong. Staying hydrated is also important for maintaining good health. Drinking plenty of water can help flush out toxins from our bodies and keep our skin looking healthy. Water also helps regulate body temperature, aids in digestion, and keeps our joints lubricated. Regular exercise is another key to good health. Physical activity can help prevent chronic diseases, boost our immune system, and improve our mental health. Even a 30-minute walk every day can do wonders for our physical and mental well-being. Stress is a common problem in today's fast-paced world, and it can take a toll on our health. Chronic stress can lead to anxiety, depression, and other mental health problems. Meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises are effective ways to manage stress and promote relaxation. Did you know that plants can improve our health? Indoor plants can purify the air we breathe, reducing indoor air pollution and promoting better respiratory health. Plants can also help reduce stress and anxiety, boost our mood, and increase our productivity. Finally, getting enough sleep is crucial for good health. Sleep allows our bodies to repair and rejuvenate, and it plays a vital role in our physical and mental health. Adults should aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to maintain optimal health. So there you have it, folks. These are some of the natural ways to maintain good health without relying on medicine. Eating a healthy diet, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, managing stress, incorporating plants into our lives, and getting enough sleep are all essential for optimal health. Thank you for watching Health Guide and Tips. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so take care of yourself.